Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to part 2 in the car modeling series. Today we're going to look at detailing. Here we go. Okay everybody, well here we are. We're in Maya 2020 and in front of you is kind of a mock-up of a panel of a car because I want to show you guys something related to detailing. Now to give you an idea what I'm talking about, let's just jump here to this screen and we're going to go into import image and let's take something like this right here. Let's open that up. Okay, so let's move that out of the way. There you go. So if you look at this car right here, and you look at this cap here, for the gas cap lid, right? You see that we got that fold, that panel fold running through it. Well, how would you create something like that? Or let's say oddly shaped sections like in here with a door handle, that kind of stuff, right? Now it's going to be a pretty short video, but it's not about, having a half-hour video. It's about giving you guys information so you can move forward and have fun, right? Okay, so let's say we wanted to make something like that on this panel right here. How would we go about doing that? Well, first of all, we need a nurbs object, and what we're going to do is we're going to project that object. Now, we can take a pre-made one, so we can go to create nurbs primitives and, for example, take a circle or a square, or you can go in and make your own. So if you have a very specific shape that you want projected, you can go in to create and then go to CV Curve Tool. Where do you go? Create, yep, CV Curve Tool, and you can go in and make your own shape. So if you wanted to, you could do something like this and then go around and do something like that, whatever, and then go in here and then hold down C to snap that right there, hit enter, and there you go. You could use that as your shape. Now, I think it looks like rubbish, but just so you know, you can, right? So let's get rid of that. What we're going to do is we're going to go and take a simple pre-made circle. And there you go. We're going to either rotate it. We're going to hold on J, we're going to flip it up like so. Let's hit R and scale that up a little bit, and let's go and move it over, I would say here or so, okay? Now, the thing is this, what we're going to do is we're going to project that circle onto the panel and make it part of the geometry. Problem is though, that you need to take into account the angle. So the way I'm looking at this right now, if I project it, it will do that based on the current view. So it'll be back here somewhere, right? And I'll show you. So we got this selected. We're going to shift select our panel and we're going to go up to edit mesh and project curve on mesh. Now if you do that exactly as I predicted, it's back there, right? We don't want that. So we're going to Control Z to go back. We're going to jump to this view. And we got this guy selected and shift select, and we're going to go to edit mesh and project curve on mesh. And there you go. So let's see if he did. And yes, he did. Okay, cool. Now, if I select this guy and move it around, I can actually reposition it and I can make it bigger and smaller, right? Because all is still possible. Let's say I want it there, yeah? Now, how do I get that into place? We're going to drag select these two, so not the original circle, but the panel and the projected circle, yeah? And we're going to go up to edit mesh and we're going to go split mesh with projected curve. Now that we've done that, it is now a piece of this guy. So I can take this curve right here, right? And I can delete it. And you'll see this is still in place. Now, if I go in here and I'll select my panel and go to edit, delete by type in history, I can now go in and take that curve and delete it. So you're probably thinking, okay, well now it's all for nothing, right? Well, if I select this guy, there it is. Now, depending on the angle that we chose, you see that this is not a very clean one, and it's probably because I hit 3 to previous move. You see that? Okay. So hit 1 to go back, and there you go. Now from here you can start to modify this by tweaking your mesh. So I can go in here, I can right click on the face, hold down the tab key, and I can start to select these faces like so. Come on, yeah, and over there and over there and over there. And then what I can do is, for example, extrude that, right? So I could extrude. I could make sure that we're in the proper orientation. So I can push that down like this or further, right? But you do need to keep in mind though that you do or you will have n-gons. But because we now have the new remesh tools in Maya, you can easily fix that, right? So this will allow you to create odd shapes on panels from a projected view and increase your car modeling game, right? So yeah, I personally use this a lot. I think it's very cool. Sometimes the cleanup of the topology is a bit of a hassle. I personally use ZBrush to do that. I remesh it, but you can do that now in Maya as well with the, where is it? Remesh tool, this guy right there. Okay, so let me know in the comments what you think. Again, a very short video, but nevertheless hopefully one that you will enjoy. Thank you so much for watching as always, and if you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't want to miss out on future videos, please subscribe. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.